Hey everyone, hope everyone out there is having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev, and on this video I wanted to share with you one of the shorts channel that we have actually been building on the sideline, and I wanted to show you the results on it, and also I wanted to discuss few of the things that you need to be doing if you wanting to start a shorts based channel. Okay, so if you actually first time on my channel, welcome. On this channel I create videos everything got to do with YouTube automation and also a bit about affiliate marketing. And if you just getting started with YouTube automation or even affiliate marketing, I'd like to share with you a few of the training that you can actually access on my actual channel, so you can actually get started with this awesome business model. Okay, so pretty much I have created a 10 $25 into six-figure business, and you're literally gonna be watching this playlist. So if you click on this, it will open up another tab, and in there you can actually just watch all the step-by-step training. This is mainly I created this free training. All right, people charge a lot of money, and I actually created all this training absolutely for free for you, right? And but if you are someone who's actually looking into YouTube automation, here's another training that I actually did. $10,000 YouTube training. Yes, literally all the knowledge that I've actually gained through the years of my struggles and everything, I've actually put inside this training so you can actually access it. And I know there's like a lot of people actually charging a buttload of money, okay, for this information, which I'm gonna be giving absolutely for free on my channel. And it's just to give you that yes, I do care about each and every single one of you to be able to come to my channel and watch these videos. It really means a lot to me, okay? And not saying anything bad about other people who is actually in this space, but the big problem that I actually see in this space, people, what they're actually doing is pretty much they're making money from giving you information, right? Which really doesn't make sense. I could have started this channel with an already monetized channel and started making money from all the views that I'm actually getting on this channel. But the reason I'm just taking it slow and I'm not doing any crazy edits, and I'm not actually putting so much, things into each and every video creation. I just wanted to keep it so simple and raw that people who actually, when they come to my channel, they can see this is a real guy and not any sort of bot, not any sort of AI who actually creating videos, and not any sort of fake guru that's actually out on the internet just promising you all these numbers and all these results that you're gonna get rich overnight, make $100,000 $200,000 a month. Okay, it is possible, guys, it is possible. It depends on whatever niche you actually get into, but most of the time people, they just want to make like extra $1,000 $2,000 $3,000, even $5,000 from their channel. They don't want to make anything crazy, right? Most of the time people, they love their job, they like what they do, but also they want to be building a passive income on the side so they can actually go on vacation, spend more time with the kids and family, and not be working for a grinding or at their work, doing like 15-16 hour shift. Like that's what I used to do, working between 15 and 16 hour shift. And that's when I just wanted to start to earn income in the online space, and I actually dabble across different business model, affiliate marketing, eBay dropshipping, Amazon dropshipping, Etsy. So I've actually done a lot of things before started getting success with YouTube automation. Okay, so just an overview of what my channel is all about affiliate marketing and also YouTube automation. But something I wanted to share with you as well, this is a channel that we actually started not that long ago, and pretty much it's a shorts channel, guys. 17.6 million within a very short amount of time, and this channel has got 1 million subscribers within a very short amount of time because people are actually craving for this kind of content. And when you actually create a channel and find a niche that's actually people are actually craving, you're gonna get a lot of subscribers very fast. And it's got 1 million subscribers, guys. And pretty much it's a short channel, and we actually uploading like 4 videos a day. Okay, 4 videos a day, and pretty much monetizing those videos. And pretty much shorts it's all about getting like a lot of views, and your shorts needs to be very, very engaging. Like a lot of people actually think that shorts they're gonna be creating, it's easy, cheap videos to be outsourced. But I'll tell you one thing, that shorts actually, you need a lot of views to be able to earn income. And you can see like 17.6 million views that we actually got on this channel, which actually resulted us in getting like $1,000. Okay, but again, it only cost us $200 to actually outsource everything and for the team to create. So we have two people who actually create the videos for the short channel, and they upload on the channel pretty much. So the channel is up like pretty much automated at this stage, and we're getting a lot of views, and we also be gaining a lot of subscribers over the next few months, and we're looking to like double or even triple our revenue on this particular channel. Okay, another question that I get asked a lot is like, how do I actually find this trending kind of niche, right? So pretty much I wanted to share with you what I actually do. So if you go to my training, and on this training, like when you go through the step-by-step training, I share with you the incognito tab method. And in the incognito tab method, I try to find a channel that's already got like a lot of views, but the subscribers is a lot less, and which means that YouTube is actually pushing this kind of content a lot, and they're getting a lot of views. Okay, when we actually starting our channel, we don't want to be copying a channel that's already got like 1 million subscribers, and it's gonna be really, really hard to compete with those channels. It'll be easy for us to compete with a channel that's got like little subscriber base, and also they're getting a lot of revenue. So that way we can actually compete with them, and those videos are not that expensive to outsource, right? Because the quality is like really bad most of the time, because it's only a small channel. So when we actually create those style of videos, we're gonna get success very, very fast, and that's what we were able to do on the short channel. But again, a good news for you, if someone is actually looking into getting this shorts channel, get in touch with me, and we'll be able to see if we can work out a deal with you guys. Because we're thinking about selling this particular channel, because most of our time actually goes into creating long form content on our long form channel. But this channel is again really, really automated. If someone is actually looking to already have a channel that's already in profitable, and also be able to double and triple the income within a very short amount of time, get in touch with me so I can share with you the channel and everything, so that way you can see if this is something that you're actually looking for. Again guys, I'll tell you another thing, YouTube is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, I'm saying this time and time again, it takes time to build up a channel, like it takes time for me to actually go to the gym and build my muscle and also be healthy. Okay, it's a really, really hard job. If someone is actually telling you that YouTube, you're gonna get like million views overnight, and like you're gonna be changing your life, going for vacation and travel and doing all this crazy stuff, buying Lamborghini, it is possible. But when you're actually getting started, start slow, but have a long-term goal that you're gonna be getting there, right? But most of the time people think that's like it's a push button thing, like AI is gonna do all the work. If you have that kind of mindset, you're gonna be failing very, very fast, guys. So again, thank you so much for watching. Again, I'd like to say thank you to all the subscribers on this channel. Like I said, it's more about giving you guys pure value rather than just making money from the views. I'm not making anything. Most of the income that I'm actually making is from my actual faceless channels, right? This channel I'm just sharing value and information. So if you have any question, you can put in the comment section below. But again, keep crushing it guys, and stay blessed, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.